Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal, Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. So guys, we are a truck dealer on the eastern side of the state, an area they call the Quad Cities. Our store's actually located just 2 short miles off of Interstate 80 on Highway 67. Highway 67, that's right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't subscribe to our channel, you should. If you do, you know we have some awesome, nice, clean Southern trucks, and here is just another one. Today I'm going to walk around this 2015. This is a Ford F350 1-ton, very rare, extended cab, long bed dually. This truck just came out of Florida. It's Carfax certified. When I say zero rust, I mean absolutely zero rust, clean, clean, clean. 89,000 miles, 6.7 power stroke diesel. This one has already been DPF deleted, tuned, and it's ready to go. Guys, this thing is like, I can't even tell you how clean it is. It is so nice. We just sent it up to Ford, had it all checked out, new front brakes, tires all the way around, and it's ready to roll, guys. Loaded, loaded, loaded. Beautiful white in color. Got that two-tone bottom, tinted glass all the way around. This does have the tow package with those tow mirrors that power fold in. Again, you can't even, the writing's still on the tires. That's how new they are, guys. I mean, just look at the components, how clean that is. This thing is so nice, guys. Loaded, loaded, loaded. Again, those are brand new tires. FX4 package, tow package. This one also has spray and bed liner, factory puck package, all set up with your wiring over there. How good does that sound, huh? Again, FX4 dually. Look how clean that body is, guys. Now let's check out the inside. She's a Lariat and she is set up. We got leather interior, bucket seats, huge center console, navigation, backup camera, upfitter switches. There's your brake controller, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive, sync Bluetooth. I got the books. I got 2 sets of keys for you. Check that out, 89,000 miles. How clean it is, maybe just a little wear in that driver's seat, but it's really, really nice, guys. WeatherTech floor mats. Back seat's as clean as the front. Power rear slider. Everything is very clean. But yeah, guys, check it out. You tell me where you're gonna find one that clean. Under the doors, it's all there. Again, guys, Carfax certified, just came out of the South. It's a Florida truck, beautiful condition, fully serviced at Ford, new tires, fully deleted, ready to go. Overall in super nice shape. There's one little door ding thing right here. Other than that, I mean, I'm sure there's a little teeny stuff, guys, but for 2015, this thing is nice. So guys, we're gonna price this right. It's gonna be under 40 grand. For under 100,000 mile, 1-ton dually, new tires, a Southern truck, zero rust. This is a nice truck, guys. These are tough to find, so give us a call, 563-424-2000. Go to the website, tealtrucks.com, T-H-I-E-L trucks.com. Again, guys, subscribe to our channel, get the notifications, go to our website. I'm gonna tell you, we will make you guys deals on these trucks, but they do go fast, so give us a call. All right, guys. Till next time, have a good one.